Hello friends, my name is Phola and I want to learn with you all. And today we're going to learn about our ABCs. Yay! Let's go! A. A is for apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. But I just eat them because they're yummy. B. B is for balloon. Up, up, and away. I wish I could fly like a balloon, but I probably would just float into my snack time. C. C is for cat. Meow. Cats are cute and cuddly, but have you ever seen a cat chase a laser? Hilarious! D. D is for dinosaur. Roar. Did you know dinosaurs were huge? If I had one as a pet, I'd ride it to school. E. E is for elephant. Elephants have big ears. I wonder if they can hear me saying ice cream. F. F is for frog. Ribbit. Ribbit. Frogs can jump super high. If I were a frog, I'd jump straight to dessert. G. G is for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. Imagine if you had one. You could grab cookies from the top shelf. H. H is for helicopter. Whoosh, whoosh. If I had a helicopter, I'd fly straight to the toy store. I is for ice cream. Ooh, I love ice cream. My favorite flavor is all of them. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have brains, but they still know how to swim, kinda like me when I forgot my homework. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos can jump super far. If I were a kangaroo, I'd jump past bedtime. L. L is for lion. Roar. I'm the king of the jungle. Well, at least the king of snack time. M. M is for monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Monkeys love bananas, just like me. N. N is for nest. Birds build nests for their babies. I wish I could build a nest full of pillows and candy. O. O is for octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms. Imagine how fast I could eat pizza with that. P. P is for pirate. R. Mighty. If I were a pirate, I'd search for treasure. And by treasure, I mean chocolate. Q. Q is for queen. A queen wears a crown. I should get one for being the best at snack time. R. R is for rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! If I had a rocket, I'd go to the moon for space cookies. S. S is for snake. Snakes are cool, but I'd rather have a pet puppy. T. T is for turtle. Turtles move slowly, kinda like me when it's time to clean my room. U. U is for umbrella. Rain, rain, go away. unless it's raining candy. V is for violin. I tried playing the violin once. It sounded like a cat stepping on Lego bricks. W is for watermelon. Juicy and sweet, but don't eat the seeds, or you will grow a watermelon in your tummy. Just kidding. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. I'd play the xylophone all day, but my parents might move to Mars. Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, kinda like my energy after eating too much candy. Z is for zebra. Black and white, and super cool. If I had a zebra, I'd paint it rainbow colors. I hope you guys had a great time learning with me. Like and subscribe and hit the bell.